Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to deep dive into Terraform import command. Terraform import allows you to take existing cloud resources and bring them into your Terraform state. So if you have ever provisioned cloud resources manually and later wish that it should be managed by Terraform, then Terraform import command is for you. In this video, I'll create a Google Compute engine and I'll import the Google Compute engine in Terraform state. So without further ado, let's get started. In this demonstration, we'll take a look on how we can import existing cloud resources into Terraform state. So I'm going to create one Google Cloud Compute Engine instance manually, and then I'll import into the Terraform state. So this is the article I've created on my blog post, and we'll follow the same in this lab. This is the gcloud command we're gonna use to create Google Compute instance manually. Let me just open the terminal. I'll use the terminal of VS Code and let me just paste the commands. So this is the gcloud command, gcloud compute instance create, the name of the instance, the GCP project, availability zone where we want to create our Google Compute instance manually, and we are not going to specify any service account here. So hit enter. It will take a couple of minutes to provision the instance. Meanwhile, let's just jump on Google Compute console and see whether our instance is created or not. So this is my Google Cloud account I have created a long ago, and let's just jump on Compute Engine console under VM instances. Our instance just created. We have created our Google Cloud instance manually. Let me just create one main.tf Terraform configuration file. So first of all, we have to specify the provider. The provider would be Google. There's a typo in the blog, I'll correct it. This is the provider we have specified. And we have to write a resource block as well for our GCP instance. So this is a blank resource block. We have to import the name, machine type, zone, and image, etc. in this resource block. So first of all, I need to jump on this Terraform working directory. All right, and I have to run the Terraform init command to initialize this Terraform working directory. Here you go. Our Terraform working directory is initialized, and you can see we cannot just run any Terraform plan because we haven't specified anything in under resource block. So Terraform init is done. Now on, we have to run the Terraform import command to import the state of existing manually created Google Compute instance. So this is the syntax of this command, and this is the actual command I am going to run. So this is Terraform import command. It contains Terraform import, then Google Compute instance, resource block, and the name of the resource block imported instance. And this contains the project ID, zone, and instance name. Here you can see we don't have any state specified yet. Once I would run the Terraform import command, one state file would be created here. So let's just hit enter. Here you go. You can see the state is imported. And if I would run Terraform plan command, you would see there's one to add, one to destroy, because we have imported the existing manually created instance, but in our resource block we haven't specified anything. Here we have to take the name, machine type, zone, and image from the existing Terraform state so that our Terraform plan command wouldn't show any change at all. So let's just click on Terraform state and check for the name of the instance. This is the instance type, this is the instance name. Okay, let me just copy this one, paste it in here, machine type, and one standard one, zone, think it was US Central 1A. That should present in the state as well. Okay. Yeah, here you go. This is the zone name. We have to specify the image as well. So image is Debian image and it's gonna be some long name project. Yeah, this is the image. Let's just copy it. All right. So network interface is default, and under access config there is one public IP created, so we don't have to specify the public IP in here. Let me just clear the terminal and run the Terraform plan again. Just refreshing the state. All right, so there's nothing appearing in the plan and we have successfully imported the manually created GC instance here. Now I would recommend, once you successfully finish your lab, do not forget to destroy your lab environment. Let's just take the command I have provided. Let me just jump on terminal and run the gcloud instance delete command. Hit yes. It will take some time, I would say less than 1 minute, but sometimes it takes more. Our instance should be under deletion. You can see the status is in progress. I'm just pausing my video and I'll come back once the instance is deleted. All right, so our instance is deleted in the terminal. Let's just see in the console. Let me just refresh it. Here you go. So we don't have any instance running right now. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. If you have any doubts or query, please drop them in the comment section. I would be happy to help. I'll see you in the next video.